Yanko. Alright, yes, let's make you for our Quabium. Haba na so be piem e Mankesi Master Tefa. Ibia so timi e kon kan pa Central Region Football Association Scouter honorable Eko Kwenu Ediomo free UK dey be piem o say. Ana se bibia so timi kon kan kama pa. Me ne ka say dey Ekumfi Royals o man na say commande nkum ana edi boni ana pay. Say ana ehun sematie Purum Kumfia Royal Stars Obanya branch and James is son and a goalkeeper. Obanya Francis Akwane captain. Frank Kwenu Obanya branch and Jimano Obanya Prince Kumi and others branch and Muhammad Nese Gonja Obanya branch and Ismail Pozo and a branch and Stephen Morrison Obanya branch and Harrison Nyako and after say a branch and the Prince Jolson, a branch and Dino Joe Debbie, where a starting lineup Bobo Kwane Dine Kumfi Royals Amo at a started, born a free kick, Tiana Suko keeper James Asabanum Chiche, Watobo and Tempo, Sedema Frank Aqua, lay pass and a Kama Prince and a Fabono, which are about to say Tediamanunia, which are about Dema branch and a Kumi Aqua, the Piamon Tete represent every born at trust here, a 2 and 2 infant a Kumfi Royal Stars as a yellow. Down on a yellow, top a yellow, and I'm on the red at what Jason and Messer. I'm a horse on a blue and white. I said, we got them kama. I told it here. A Kumfi Royal, Yatobo and Tempaso, commenting Kumran and a Kitabano referee Sidabi, Bono Atrashe, a Koki Kaya Bodetia, commenting Inkum. Goalkeeper James is on energy na boneti. Watobo and Tempo le pass and Frank Piamo Tete Tiwana Eko Bonekita Abrantiane Diende Mohamed Zongo Watobo and Tempo Bona be commenting Kumerantiano le pass and film a chance. Oh my goodness. Abrantiane Diende Odo Derby Ojo Derby on your clear chance. Bona Betty commenting I want to pay your money back goalkeeper. The trouble at answer baby. Bona Atrashe. I true. They are two born and Tempaso. Harrison on a crab on answer there be bonus and so trust here. Another two ya two that here commenting Harrison Nyako Watobo and Tempaso one echo now so there be bono atrust here. Jantua bona so na so da bi
one ticket so if you watch it nominated
my
49
number 9 hello
number 4 14
Peter 14 oh no 14 13 Ebenezer
20 number 7 Jackson
TN 12 so ama commenting inkum
number 8
commenting inkum Bona Atrashe Yatobo tete na so dabi. Ebenezer say a club on pass already a Branton and Afo Junior will lay pass and Yama Branton and Jene Kwesi na so dabi. Kwesi Entimi Amfa. Kwesi Entimi Amfa. Yantwa bwana so aye free kick aya ball tia Kwama Tinku you play that ball acha so draw mama mia Bwana tra yantwa bwana tete wana eko bwana atwase aye to yato eretia Kwama Tinku yato bwana tempaso referee asida bi eto fa Jato bwana ntampaso mwana eko bwana kita afu watu bwana tete nasudabi anarato ya toretia Komantinku yato bwana ntampaso mwana eko bwana beti abrantanete ensenato se Harrison le pasana edamaninia mwana eko ye pobo tete nasudabi bwana beti bubu kwane diara ekufiro ya start Yare started one and 10 passo. Referee say Yanswaso, Borne Kita, Branton and Isaac Mensah. Referee Ajafao, Adam Isaac Mensah. Referee Ajafao, Adam Isaac Mensah. Komantinkum and a free kick. Komantinkum and a free kick. Komantinkum and a free kick. A Branton and Kwesi Awache Eletina Bonachi. Kwesi Awache Kwesi Eletina Bonachi. Kwesi Awache Eletina Bonachi. Vakom Yanumensa. Kwesi Awache Nasudabi. Bono Atrashia Eko Kika ya Boretia. Komanti Inkum. Komantinkum. Aye, go kika Boretia Komantinkum. James Eshan. We lay passing and 10 them Francis Aqua and also Odubona Kwakwacha another two. Yato Eretia Komantinkum. Yato Bonentam Paso Emmanuel. Trouble Tete Amanunia inside the center circle. Nasudabi, Yaki Bonnet de Four, Bona Betty, a Brantanate, as an Isaac, Le Pasate, Nasudabu, Bona Betty, a Brantanate Morrison, Le Pasana, Adamanunia, which is Bona Adama, Isaac, Pozo, Nasudabi, Bona Air Foul, Yapo Eretia, Comante Inco, Yawa started Bonnetan for represent Abi now Tamaho. Francis Nyawatremaho. Francis Aqua Le Passana, Ayama Morrison Timianfa, one echo, Piamon and Tempaso, Bona Betty, Commenting Kumrantiano, Omne Le Passana, Ebenezer, Wafa Bona Betmiade, Le Passana Kama, Adama Kwesi, Piamon and Tempaso, Bona Betty, Francis Aqua, also the Bona Quacoche, Le Passana Ebenezer Osei, Ebenezer says to Piamon and Tempaso, one echo Commenting Kum, Omne Piamon, a Bona Bobi, one echo, Bona Kita, Commenting Kum, Omne Piamon, and Kumbrantana, Omania Papa, Menka and Nata, Commanding Kumana Bedi, a Confi Royal, a Confi Royal, over the Pipia Bono, a prince, of Etiade, Nancy Debbie, yeah, Prince at the border finish him, a Branton Quasi, Quasi Awache, Ranson a Crabona Bar, Quasi Awache, Quasi Awache, will live past and come Diamania, a Crusher Branton again, as not as a Peter Matthew Nancy Debbie, Bono Atrasia. Bono Atrasia, Yatoban and Tampaso, Bona Betty, a Branton and Dana Prince, a lay pass and a Kama, Edamaninia, the Piabana Dama, a Branton Pozo, with Jabana Dama, Joseph, and say Pia Bonepa, Nasurabu, lay pass and the Aquatic Pim Kama, a Crusher Frank Bettiade, lay pass and a Tente, inside a center circle, Wahal lawyer, question goalkeeper James Eshan, and Sapia, the Branton and Morrison, Sapia, lay pass and the Maninia, one echo, Joseph Stephen Morrison, Nasurabi, referee at the foul Eretia. Comantinkum, Le Pasna, Wanako, Bonabeti, a Confi Royas, Omne Pia Boneba, a Confi Royas, Le Pasna de Fifiampem, Wanako, a Chabatete, Mamma Mia, a Branton, a Jerry Mohammed, Netsa Gunja, going to me and Fabono. Referee at the foul, and a offside rather. Yare started one and Tampaso, Abedi, a Branton, a Jerry Ebenezer, say Pierre Maquesi. Kwesi enso pia wache kwesi awache ya kan de atofo ya kan kwesi awache e de atofo ele pass na kama wane pa bona po akabo Comantin ko betimi abibiana na so da bi mama mia e Confi Royals referee de foul e de tia Comantin kum yellow card accord ma Comantin kum Yellow card acquired them a Comantin Branton and Emmanuel Ejiri. Emmanuel Ejiri yellow card. Emmanuel Ejiri yellow card. Emmanuel Ejiri yellow card. Five minutes across 6 minutes. Obia Entimi and Shebi. Ismail and a Jinabona Chedema. A Confi Royals. Ismail, Wakona Chiba Kumi and Sawa, lay pass in the Amaninia, one echo, a chance for Branton and Steven and Sudabi, Wabobo no. I go Kikaya Boretia. A go Kikaya Boretia. A Confi Royals. Goalkeeper Ismail. Lay pass Edama Ebenezer Edamaninia Branton and the Afo Edamaninia. One echo. Bonekita. Comantinkum. On a paper boneba. Ya trouble tete. Nasudabi. Bono Atrasia. A two tia. Comantinkum. Nessa a Confi Royals to one and Tampaso. Lay pass Edamaninia Steven and Sapia Edamaninia. Steven as a Bono, but the Bona Quatia Morrison lay pass and Kama, Morrison a Pipia Bonepa, and as to that be Ebenezer Babette Bono, lay pass them Michael, also Piano Sudabi, Bona Buakim, Ababetia Branton, and so Isaac beats me a corner, a chance for Comantin Kume go. A go. Comantin Inkum. Comantin Kumatu Atnedi Kain. Comantin Kumatu Atnedi Kain. A Branton and a Jackson Francis. Washane first goal the man Comantin Kum. The rest of the ball and Tempaso. Bonekita. A Confi Royals. I'm going to pay Bono. Nasudabi. Ekunfi Royals. Bona Buake referee foul. Ediama Ekunfi Royals. Jaro started one and 10 pass one by Francis Aqua. Aqua ne kukra bona Aqua captain. Wele pass tete one echo. Frank wait me Bibiana. Frank wele pass on so debi. Odi bona Aqua kwache. Aye true. Ya true editia. Commenting wato bona and 10 pass one echo. Commenting Oma Jibono. Oma le pass in Ebenezer. Wele pass in Diamaninia. One echo. Bona kita Emmanuel. Emmanuel se chabon tete. Akwa training Jackson Francis on Sepia or the Abechiri, Wafana Branton and Quasi so le personal, a question Branton and Isaac Mesa, Nasu goalkeeper James Eshan Wasaban and Chiche Ediama Ekunfi Royals, James Le Person, Diama Branton and Frank also the one Aquaquache Le Person Ediamaninia, Bonabedi Morrison for Ekunfi. Piabon and Tempaso Bonabedia Branch and Edere Afo Sapia Adafane Peter Nasadebi Bono Atrashe a go kika ya Bodetia Ekunfi Royals commenting on our started born and Tempaso on my Piapon the Kama 14 shattered man Emmanuel on Sepia across Ebenezer Adamani goalkeeper Ismail and Sepia wanted to the one Aquacote he won Eddie Fluo one echo Mamma Mia Bonabeti Abantan Ebenezer 120 million for well person Kama Afo Yamaquesi question so the Bona Quechiri Wafana Branton and Ebenezer or say Amwa so Alan Fabono Amwa the Bona to Kama see and Quenim Amwa also le personal or the Manina Emmanuel Eji and so the Bona Cococha referee foul at the Etia Ekunfi Royals. Watch it foul them Ekunfi Royals. Shall start ball and Tempaso commenting leading by 1-0 Afo Nasu debut or the Bona Cococha Bonabeti Ekunfi Royals Amonchen NPP Bonnepa Frank Obetmiade also the one Aquacoche Bonabeti commenting for the PP Bonnepa a chance now so there be Bona Trash a cookie Kaya Bodetia commenting income Honorable Equal Kwenu parliamentary candidate Edma Ekunfi NDC parliamentary candidate on let me organize this Galloway a scouting tournament. Scouters for a free UK and PM our Ghana say and we be kama a set talent our Ghana Nansea and I just a Lions on my branch about Coco Barcelona. I found your body here. Commenting income. I found your body here. Commenting income. Stephen Morrison, Ejina Bonechi Edema. Ekunfi Royals. FIFA 12, FIFA 13, free kick. You pay the ball a chance, Mamma Mia. Aye, corner kick. Aye, corner kick. Aye, ball it here. Commenting. Appointed Samuel does it. Frank Aqua Alechina Bonati. Bakum Yanamiasa, Pedaboro, a chance at Ticomo, you wanted the floor. Bonabeti, Morrison, he won a Kama, Adamaninia, on Sepia, Peter, Lebon Adamabeneza, Onse pia bon tete na su goalkeeper abakra bona atrashe ayeto yeto edetia Kofi Royals ayeto yeto edetia Kofi Royals live on a Kofi TV live on a Kofi TV bona kita yimana leji referee say another two and two fantia Kofi Royals commenting referee say a foul rather commenting amo ena ejina bona tie free kick ya bona tie Kofi Royals commenting and ejina bona so peja bona a chance what a save from goalkeeper bona say referee say wanna try another corner kick commenting green deep green pa and I'm with the yellow no area be kakra deep green and a lemon green and I'm host no yellow another corner kick at tomorrow a chance na so there be bona trash here a Kofi Royals yellow and white yeah to say cream on the side you ever find cream and I just in a mess no yeah the red and the actual I'm a horse no SA blue and white one echo free as with me be an draw oh mama mia draw still wanna say draw bet me be an so e want the floor one echo commenting post us in the ball referee as the foul it here Kofi Royals 22 minutes gone inside of first half. Commenting 1, Kofi Royals 0. A free kick. That started 1 and 10 pass on us so there be Morrison Akre and balance and kama. Bona kita. Kofi Royals on the post say 1 area bana so there be bona trash. Aye two ya two editia. Aye two ya two editia. Commenting why and I call it true. Ya two editia. Commenting Jantuaso Bona kita commenting Kofi Royal Stars on Abajibono on Pepia Bona Eleba Santa Sek commenting on a Piabono ba a Brighton and Ata on a Piabono Le Post Bano Nasadabi Royals Kofi on my Bona de for Kama Le Bona Kama 1 echo Bona kita Kofi Royals he born area floor. Referee say a foul first. And she started 1 and 10 pass. Kofi Royal Stars. Kofi Royals. On the Pia Bono. Lay pass in the Kama. 1 echo. Bonekita. Kofi. Jimanwa. We Pia Bon and 10 pass. Pia Bonadama branch and Ishmael. Ishmael between Biana. Ishmael. And Ansurebi. He born area Fishmanano. Now say that be say bona say bona be Frank Kwenu when you bona jama goalkeeper James Eshen Epia jama Frank and Epia bona pa le bona jama Frank Aqua Aqua bet me there. Uchina Bono so. Lay pass on the Maninia. Joseph. And I said Steven Rada. Steven the Bona Queti. Pierre Diama Frank. Frank and Pierre Bono. Lay Bono come down Prince. Prince Kumi. Kumi and our Pabono, Kumi Betimiade, lay pass on us debi, commenting cum branching about Jabono, commenting incum, I'm gonna pay Piabonepa, a commenting cum, Yansudebi, Frank Aqua, Baby Bonnie de Floor, one echo, Bonabeti, Bobo Quality, and Seneco Royals, Morrison, Nansuru. Jerry Morrison, Edia 2 from Kama, Trevor for Ediama Morrison. Jare started born and Tempasso, one echo, Piabone Kama, Confi Royals, on a Pia Bonepa, Royals, Econfi Royals, with the Varo, Naso Pieno, Ishmael Anaba Fabono, Ishmael Betmia Biana, or Bona Quality, were falling in your Prince Betmia then, Harrison also Debbie. Referee say a goal kick, Ganasoma corner kick. Referee say a corner kick, I have one point here. Kwamantinkum, Frank Aqua, and Adina Bonati, Piabon and Tampasso, Edamania, Ojo, Nansudebi, Opienio, Bonas and Swat trash here. A 2 and Pentia. Jatobon and Tampasso, Aqua, play pass and Kama, Monaco, Bonakita, a branch and Ishmael Nansudebi, goalkeeper. Ade Emma, Kwamantinkum, Ishmael, Wasa Wanamuchi, Sergio, so far so good, 28 minutes and a ball. Sound as we game now.
Odi that's a game now. Boss for the advance. For me, now, we are going to have for me. Say, about me, we so far now. Commenting Kumodika as a first game. You say, on modern Bonapa, so a chain, a coffee royals. We share ball now, or more for me, Bona. I can see at first, me say game and I say. For the first 15 minutes, and I say, Kufi Royals, or Mutimi, who did born a craft for some time, but Siano, who's a born Adani, other baby, Comatic for no, and who's a more Mutimi who did born a than say, a Kufi Royals for Odi, a Kufi Royals, Munya Boy, and check now, Comatic for no, I check from Wilson. I said, or be a born individual ball, and yet team no more as a team number, be a born individual, or your person or chain, Kwanasa, or yet the person or yet. About Sana, team the possessiveness of it, but when no labor, Adama, we are this creating more chances than say overball individual ball, and the number 10 for a Kunfi Royals, yes, number 10. Yamana Basso, and yes, the game no was so far. No, Nametica Onya ultimate locative player now only pass the camera. So it's me. After many you'll be a bonomody, but so far now, Comatic modern bono was so Kakra, a good royal.
It is Sergio Ramos, the sports reverend, and I say, Yatin and Canal Ponekita Kufi Royals. A branch on a Michael, lay pass on the Kama, Nasarabi, referee at the foul, Adama, Ecofi Royals. Referee at the foul, Adama, Ecofi Royals. Frank Aqua, Aragina Bonnet will lay pass on the Kama, Adamania, a branch on the Steven, Morrison said the one on sanity. Pia Adama branch front Harrison Nyako Epia Adama Aqua Shechabone Kama Ekunfi Royals Amoene Kwamantinkum is leading by 1 goal to nothing. Shetrabone Kama Bone Kita Kwamantinkum and Kum and Piabone Ba lay pass on Kama Chabon Tete One Echo Bone Kita Ball, I foul your ball, Tia. Ekumfi Royals. Jimana Leji. We play the ball. Steven Mwana Sena clear lines now. So what I say a chance. Goalkeeper what I say.
What kind of when you no Monday matter in the Sunday. Monday matter for me. Yeah, for money to play yard. You put up on this I'm going to use money to do this.
I am gonna kick a ball at ya. I am gonna kick a ball at ya. Ekumfi Royals.
So
I am gonna kick a ball at ya. Ekumfi Royals. Bakum Yerimeta, Komantinkum Nasrebi. I am going to kick a ball at ya. Komantinkum. I am going to kick a ball at ya. Komantinkum. The rest started 1 and 10 pass of Frank. Trouble Tina Kawashe. Steven Nasrebi. Referee Ajay Foul Editia Steven. The rest started 1 and 10 pass of Apparentian Ediade Peter Matthew. Trouble Tete 1 echo. Frank Aqua. Lay pass on the camera, Diama Steven. 7 beats me a corner, and so they will referee Ajay Foul Diama Steven. Referee Ajay Foul Diama Steven. That's the one to take Steven Alpha 1 7 bet me Bibiana 7 bet me a corner and so Debbie. Ojo. Just the one to take and so Debbie. Abranjan and Frank. A clear the lines now. Anyone goalkeeper. On say Piano Aqua. Trouble to take. One echo. One already Ismail. Pozo. Lay pass on the bar. Paja Dunia. Vacuum in the Mensa. Kwesha branch and a Prince Kumi. Prince Edia Quincy. Or Fana branch and Emmanuel. Jimano Shapia. Pia Adamania. Lay pass on the Diamond branch and a Jenny. Frank. And say Pianama. Ojo. Ojo Triumpha. Honorable Eko Kwenu. Parliamentary candidate Edmund Ekumfi NDC. Shema Bibia Kwankan kama pa. Anya asem ketwa. Ekumfi. Oka Ekumfi say Honorable Eko Kwenu. Ekumfi Eko Kwenu. Oka Ekumfi pa yese Eko Kwenu. And now some get to Ekumfi TV and Jim Live Ekumfi TV. Sergio Ramos Sports Revenue Elder and so now reports up Ekumfi so Dia in Canada about Kwame Juniors and other idea me just so I am free kick tomorrow now so that born and baby cry. Born and baby cry. Hey, go kick. Hey, go kick. Hey, boy, let's come. Bobo Canadian. Ekumfi Royals. Chateau bon and Champasso. One echo. Bon ekita. Ekumfi Royals. Now so there be. Lay pass in the kama. Mama mia. Everything you can abono atwasia. Referee say ayokona kick. Young one frontier Ekumfi Royals. How I will use it how I control, how I pass. That's all. Ekumfi Royals. Ekumfi Royals against Comantinkum 1, Ekumfi Royals 0. Yato ball and Tampaso. A good for us. I'm with Yakwana. Nanso Dabi. Bora Betty Ebenezer Osei. Pia ball and Tampaso. Cherabona with Yamaninia. One across Steven Morrison. Morrison, Ejabona Bona Betty commenting Kumbranteno. The Chabana Nasobona trust here. I had two editia. Commenting Inkum. I had two editia commenting Inkum. 12 and boy. Jacobo Tete, one echo, born Abeji, a branch and a dear 7 with me Aquana, 7 dear Mikaba Baba, Bakumir Mesa, Pierre Prince Johnson. One echo, 7, beautiful display, 7, we lay passing the back to 7 view, 7 after which me Aquana, 7, Mamma Mia, oh my goodness, so Bona say, Ababeti, Harrison, if you are Chawaja Tente, Nancy Debbie, he bought it if you Harrison as a Sapa, one echo, he bought a Kama. Born Abedi Frank with me Aquana, Frank Eddie more born Eddie, Frank Quenu. Referee say a 2 and 20 foul rather. I was started born in Tampaso, born Abedi, a branch and a Jenny, Nelson Morrison, Debbie. She signed a branch and a Jenny Frank Aquaria Gufo. Yellow card, Aquadiama, a branch and a Jenny Peter. Matthew Peter Mighty yellow card. Peter Mighty yellow card. Therefore your body here. Come and think. Frank Aqua. Long pass Ediama Ojo Nancy Debbie. Morrison to me on for born Abeti, a branch in manage, a G in a paper bono, and my command tinko. Across your branch and a day, crazy, I watching. Later we want to take Nancy Debbie. I true your 2 editia. Command tinko. Yato born and Tempaso. One echo. One ekita. Born Abedi commenting crazy awatwe. Now so Frank Aqua Bono. Lay pass on Frank Aqua view. Lay pass it. Oh, now so that be too much. I true ya to one and Tempaso. Born Abedi branch and a Ismail Dazi. Frank Aqua. Akoshe Morrison Ojo and Chiamfa referee Antoaso one echo Quenu he born in the Kama Francis Quenu Pia born Kama Ediamaninia one echo born Abedi Francis Quenu wa high lawyer the man the goalkeeper on set ya born Ediama a branch and Emmanuel Ediama Prince and Pia born Eba Prince about me Ediama Frank Aqua referee Aje Paul Frank Aqua referee Aje Paul Frank Aqua referee Aje Paul Frank Aqua. You have started one and Tampaso. For Abedi Apantana Ade Harrison Nyako. Back to Francis Jabi. Born Abedi Prince Kumi. Referee for the Tia Prince Kumi. Born Abedi Apantana Awatri. Awatri pass on Dama Isaac Piadama Ebenezer Piabona Kama. Ada Peter Mighty, Peter Nasudebi, Chance Nasudebi, outside net. A goalkeeper bought it here. Komantinkum. A goal kicker, Boretia Komantinkum. Honorable Ekwa Kwenu. Honorable Ekwa Kwenu. Nana Apa Krante. Nana Apa Krante and Swa. Odikro Adama Ekufi Abaka. Obwetuma wadre pa. Mendada. Nana. Oye so my rough. Nana is so my rough. Nana Besu. Said Nana Besu. Nana Besu. Nana the so my. Opaboro. Mekapa yoko Krumo. Oh, Nana Kazapa, Knapak, so now, or to say, Nana, Nana, no, I say, Nana Peboro. Oh, yes, so my row. Equinfi TV live. Apart from us, Scout of UK. Scout of UK, I'm going to show my baby Kama, and my honor power Kwenu, Born Akita, Equinfi Royals Derby, Ebenezer, or Jamie Kappa, Baba Jamono. The Champion and Champasso, Born Abeti, Bokwane Diade. Chiantuaso. I'm all the way from Holland, was that you? All the way from Holland. I'm papa. Oh, for playing about 3. And you
Nana Apapanchi, Udiko of Abaka, or your children,
a good few years. Hey, Anna, Nana Pebo.
To be a patron,
and I'll go.
I just hope that Nana, Yanko himself,
Nana, only fair talent to a coffee. Talent to a coffee. Oh, Yantuaso, Bonakita, Comantinkum, on a paper Bonapa, Isaac, the Piamona Kama, Le Passanema, Moana, Bonakita, Ebenezer Osei, answer the abattoir, Wafane Linia Kama, Moana, Bonabeti, a branch and a Jenna Frank and a paper Bonapa. Adama Kele Pasana representative Monsanto Telefofro a trophy Abraham Isaac Fohaji Mesa and Asam Keta Bona Keta Abraham Harrison Gabi Bona Tosia Anti Ayakona Kika Yabo Aretia Ayakona Kika Yabo Aretia Komantinkum Frank Aqua Aretina Bonati Ade Emma Equinfi Royals Frank Aqua long sudden pass unfortunate head out Nasser Dabi still Jimmy Kababa Dabi Ayeto Yato Eretia Komantinkum a temporary hold of Sadio. So far so good. About 40 minutes.
I can say, look what I am with I said, Komantinkum by a good girl, and who said, Komantinkum for Abba Muhammad. Although I think the staff is good, this is the process into how you found the ball, how you locate player and how you control the ball. I know now I think yes, but every yẹn ṣe dẹ́ hu saa deɛ ne bebree ɛwɔ park no so Barcelona na akɔ akɔ ebi wɔ hɔ na ɛsɛ adeɛ yɛ very important bi a yɛyɛ scout no yɛn nhyɛ da ehu ɛsɛ ebi mi pɛ goal na ɛnyɛ goal ne yɛpɛ kwan yɛ wo play wo skill set no ɛna yɛpɛ sɛ yɛhu
Referee Wasana better with the first 45 minutes in Banavia. Kwamantin Kum 1, Ekumfi Royals 0. So far so good. Sergio, Joshua, first 45 minutes in Banavia.
Upon the minute now, Obia Bonahomodea, who say, Gemino, although you're not there because like a possessive football, how to locate a player, send a by obviously send the pass to player. No, I see they win the from the side of Kumfu Royals. Yes, I near but although no. You could see, say, Obia Bonomode and coach for a Kumfu Royals, no, on any players named Casa, no, okay, on any players named Casa, no Munya, but Rasania Baya, or moving to me, I possess the ball, no more possessing you.
So the women call us many scouters want to be ending come on. Aha. Yeah, ending come on. If you are, yeah, share send ya. I never see call. And a damn part of who I say all away from let's say Holland. I'm a bit pure Ghana. I say ever pair talent. Being say Holland or the Ghana. They have so many talent in Holland, but coming back to Ghana here to get players from here to Holland, no, I don't know the reason why. So let me get to them, and to Honorable Ekokwenu. Well, before I'll come to Ekokwenu, let me get to the scouters and see when Honorable Ekokwenu invited them here to Ghana to come and scout a talent over here. How did they see when coming to Ghana here? Good morning once again, and your name?
My name is Ray. I'm from Holland, yes.
Okay.
This is not my first time in Ghana. I'm coming for more than 20 years already to Ghana. Do a lot of scouting, a lot of coaching, a lot of football training, and this time I was also invited to see the female match because also female football is coming and it's booming in Europe, and also male football because there are a lot of talents in Ghana. Okay. But there are also some small things we have to change really in Ghana. Otherwise, in 30 years, it's still the same as now. So, because I think we're developing ourselves back. I'm sorry to say that, but in football, we're developing us back because we can do much more and better things in Ghana with football. Talents are there, definitely.
Okay. When Honorable Ekokwenu called you to come to Ghana, how did you feel it? Being the PC or the parliamentary candidate call you to come to Ghana here for talent. We have more talent over here, but we don't get people to move them up. For you coming to Ghana, how do you feel?
First, I was honored, of course, definitely, because somebody like him called me to come and check some players or check a team. It's always good. Beside that, it's always good to come back to Ghana because, as I said, I'm coming at least 3 times a year to Ghana to see football players. And also this time again, I saw some really young, good football players, and they have some small time to develop themselves. And then, because you have to make them ready for Europe, and that's the point. There's some small things you have to train them, you have to coach them. You also have to train and coach coaches. If you do that, then in 1 year many players can be ready for Europe. Because if you now go to Europe as a player and you're like this, you're good. But you also see this match. I mean, I hear many people also say, this is football, it's too much fighting. It's too much fighting. Football is play the ball, find the free spaces, always 2 options to play the ball. This is more fighting than football. And you can train it very simple, but you have to do it from the grassroots up. And then I think in many, many years, everybody in the world knows Ghana again because of football. Like 20 years ago, that was great. We have to go back to that time, and it's possible.
What are your expectations? Looking at the players you've seen so far, what are you expecting to see on the pitch?
For now,
they are coming back to play.
You mean what I saw now or what I expected?
What you have seen
now. What I've seen, that's just what I said. The basics are there by many, many players. The basics are there, but they're absolutely not ready. Because sometimes also don't know where to walk, where to run, how to get the first touch. Those are so very simple things. And I saw a couple of players who are really good, They're young, but they got some small time. But now is the time you have to train them to do those basic things, and then they can be big in Europe. Only then. Because otherwise they're still big in Ghana. But I think also players want to come to Europe to play football, and it is possible. Definitely.
Okay. All right. So what are you going to tell a Kumfi people for getting someone, a prominent person like Honorable Eko Kwenu, coming to be the parliamentary candidate or to be the, let me say, the MP for Ekumfi? What are you going to tell the people of Ekumfi?
What I'm going to tell the people about football, or in general, you mean?
Yes.
About football.
Football in general.
In football in general, I mean, it's not only those people. That's what I said to all people in Ghana. I mean, it's very, very simple. I mean, if you have a dream, you believe in a dream, you can reach it, definitely. And I saw today again, since many years, there's some small basics you have to train. You have to train it. If you don't train the basics, you can't develop yourself. And it's so simple. You have to do it. So people also in this area, please believe in your dreams. Keep training, starting at 5-6 years old, boys and girls, definitely. And then when you're 18, you can make a step to Europe. I believe in that, definitely, because there's so many good players, so many. But when I'm back home, and when I come back, they don't did that what I asked them to do. So we're still on point zero, and that's a shame. That's a shame.
All right. So have you gotten some of the players?
I'm sorry.
Have you gotten some of the players? Yeah. For
You want names?
Yeah.
No.
Not on the front for now.
No.
I hope you've gotten some of the talents which are very good.
Sure, I saw some talents, yes, but I never talk to other people about the players. The people who are involved with the players, I talk to them definitely after what I saw, what I want them to develop, to change small. Definitely.
They have high potentials, but they need to develop themselves, and that's the thing. What's all about. Yeah.
So let's say developing them very well, they can groom well and.
Yeah. They have to invest in themselves, and if they believe in themselves, and they're able to listen to what they to the trainers and how they see they as a player, then they can get forward and perhaps they can get to Europe.
Okay. So you coming to Ghana here, see much talent over here, but they need more things to do, right?
Yeah. The thing is, what Raymond already said, there is lots of fighting football, and football that's very good. You have the right spirit, but it's more than that. You need to read the game. You need to develop your skills, and for instance, to temporize. It's important when you have to when you're playing, when you make progress, and when you are make it fast. And sometimes it's the other way around.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Chama iti skaters pone na ya ti omo kana mame ko na say nana apa kranche enso ha menene nana anim komo the patron of Ekumfi Royals and asem keto akra nana obi beka say ene dwumadie although ye patron but nka e ka de nka bia se bia ko ba say otena na wo hwe ekire na nana wanka say watu chacha ba pie wo park so Nana, why an idea in the world when expectation is so at the same?
Yo, Odukan, main chair, wait, safe na yenda wansi the mabri wo say here na hoso wash here so wash here. Enyo oye Ekumfi Royal oye second division team or Ekumfi Mem oye central region na Ghana na ame me ohen no so mo hia mind dem mamanfo wo be dinyim another bibia wo ye no wo benya mbo a wo hia na akodo se won no wo yeye a na chere aka oman no so enti me patron ma Ekumfi Royal na de menyu adi ho achi de mbo afem sika afem na ada o de yetum de boa ma onye team a wotum wo enis ska bebre no yetum ya aboa ho ma wako anyim ekodu bia wo botum na mbrebi won so wenye ska wo botum wo da hwe won ho enti ye on yet there painful be fi Holland wo bana wa ba hwe hianomofra hone modembo na won ma wo botum wenya ho na wɔde ho akɔ amanade mu wakɔ bobɔ teams no wetum na wɔde ho akɔ nti ɔbandam da na ma mintu mintena fie ma dwumɔde ɔte dam no wɔn bɔhwɛ na wɔn ba na wɔn bɔbɔ ma amandze nti ɔda ma so mede ma enyimnya mede bɛtɛ akyiri ma mmofra no wohu dɛ wɔwɔ mpanyinfo bi a wodi ho akyiri ɔnyɛ hɔne managers na nkoten nti ɔnam ɔno do ma anapɛyi ma ba bɛtena ha mehwɛ nti yɛta mmofra no wɔ akyi yɛboa ndɛ yɛn nyinaa nyim dɛ football no ɔyɛ big business sɛ adom boa ma mpanyinfo a wɔabɛyi wonya even one player a ɔbɔsɔ wɔn anyi ma okupre mu wɔ Dutch a na ɔkyerɛ dɛ Holland hɔ a na ne dwumadi obedi yɛn nyinaa yɛ nyimboa a ɔde bɔboa ekunfi na Central Region and Ghana football as a whole nti ɔno nti na damabiri yɛwɔ ha yɛn so yɛde yɛn nyimnyam na yɛne ahoɔden yɛde bɔboa
nana woyɛ patron ni ɛde ma ekunfi royals wotie mpanyinfo mu asɛm a wɔka sɛ talent ne deɛ ɔmo wɔ bi paa na mmom no ade baako mmienu bi a ɛnyɛ sɛ goals ne hyɛ nko a ɔhwɛ the field of play na sɛ ɔmo yɛ training more ɛna kyɛ sɛ ball bi wɔ hɔ a ɛnyɛ baabi a touch line sɛ ɔmo gyina no mo asɛm ho akyi no akɔkɔtena baabi akɔgyina baabi foforɔ sɛ ɔtwɛn ball which ɛno nso ɛmboa being a patron no okɔ yi deɛ bɛyɛ na ɔkɔkɔka kyerɛ o players na sɛ o team coaches ne team managers no sɛ say na ebi a ɛyi fɔ no baa no ɔmo kan
yo sɛ yɛn nyinaa yɛnyim dɛ ho hia dɛ sɛ players no anade team no so obotum akɔ wɔ enyim a ɔdɛ wonya more training sessions wɔkɔ camp na wɔkɔyɛ training yɛn nyinaa yɛnyim dɛ sɛ ɔno enya mbado bebree ana sikasɛm wɔ mu sɛ sɛ ɛsɛ camp team wɔn edidi wɔn biribiara no ɔyɛ sikasɛm nti yɛbɛsrɛ yɛn yɛgudu yɛyɛ ma yɛbotum business men ahorow a wɔn nso wɔte hɛn anadɛ wɔhwɛ hɛn na ankorakora a wɔn nsɛm wɔ bi mpanyinfo ɔnyɛ Dr. Tanel Kokwe no nkote na mmom other politicians and political aspirants na even chiefs adodo biara wɔn nso kakra wɔn nsɛm a wɔbotum wɔde aboa no wɔn bra na wɔn bɔsɔ ekunfi royals hɛn mfe na wɔn boa hɛn na mmom dɛ sɛ yɛnya ndunua a yɛhia mmofra no wɔbotum wɔnya more playing time wɔ camp hɔ na akyɛr na ɔnyɛ wɔn tipɛ de mpo sɛ talent hunt yɛbotum ayɛ ma wɔaboa yɛn ma yɛn ankasa ɔde yɛtumi nya mmofra mba bɛɛ 5 years 6 years 7 years de kɔ na yɛ train hɔ ɔsanda wɔn no wɔnyim hwee tete wɔn hyɛ bɔɔl no mu a na kyerɛ ka wɔnya camp pɛpɛ bi wɔ wɔn school nyinaa wɔ hɔ na kyerɛ wɔsua ade na bɔɔl no so yɛ ade a ohia nti ɔbandam a through that na yɛnya binom te dɛ Messi, Lionel Messi, Ronaldo, na Lamine Yamal no. Nti sɛ Ghana so yɛpɛdɛ yɛnya dama football yi ne mu mfa so paa ɔde yɛ di special bi yɛtumi train mu frama ma wɔn so wɔbɛnyi no wɔbɛyɛ superstars wɔde ma yɛn.
Okay, my colleague Doc and Uncle Sanso Ninkobo, I say, Dr. Eko Kwenu, and Ninkobo, being a parliamentary candidate, and so I didn't want them part of one pa, nowadays I go for Royal Stars, Ababadi.
Okay, Medasi, I'm the Yena, a confini, Yena, you know, the Bia, Yama, Ebeya, Oze, Mpuntu, na Abrabum, some day aba, na and them who are hey, Obikai, also them, as if you want to year scouting tournament or other, Yamina Dumende, is our body or Makasim or yeah, Asutef school Kasim Ho. You use my way in there. Or in the quiet, yet the Kuviro as Abba, Yambamu when you be born, Ghana for you be born. Obeya Yambabi Yamive na dum weko pray, Abushmem, na also what made Jago, not this kind of hijabe, only the air which way. The best will be our rich up there. Also, go to my baby. Team the Yayadi is your Yamati or their fortune on an Nano, one and there.
way to Nana Park Ranchide and the Omoshe Jumejo Kodi Kunfinira Oye Irabi Michel Papa Nanano Michel na say Yankupon there in the ball I will be watch it when Zama other way I will build on Obeya fit na way to more select am wako ball Wabuchi Oye the way in there Casa Piabechi then who there Messiafu on board crowd and he na Bemkasi Besiana Bobola the CCI light number Tomodo no they confuse you near build the female team also which way the ball Numago na also audition brain it's in the way you ha na or your Royals and war or a scouting match pay for Holland waba Bazi or ha also war Jubetina Kodo na you isum there by Biano Yamina to super good morning Shamae na Oyasu Medamasi Yamisha
nti honorable Kwenu as a PC the ma na say Kumfi na say yate ne kana tianche bia na say the second department of the game no ever so asha say na bia bibia so tumi akonkan enso tumi e dia mai kama pa ono so enya asem keto akra team sheet ana dan wa two na dan wa microphone for microphone account sure yeah no the second department of the game. I shall say, the second department of the game. Not me. I shall say, kama. A Kumfi medical catchers. I know some catch across. Scouters. No, are you ready? I shall my be answer to me. Kama pa. Referee at the far area. A Kumfi Royal Stars. Come on, team Kumashaba. Kumfi Royal Stars. Beautifully, Nema, very fast and kama. One call Rafael Fowl, Eliama, Ekumpi, Ojo, lay pass and kama. Eliama Plantan against Steven, 7 champion. I call Harrison, Pia, one kama, my Manuel, Jumano Pia, Eliama Morrison waiting up for banana, lay pass and that to kama, Ojo, Eliama Plantan again. Aqua, answer waiting Amfa, Frank Aqua, waiting Amfa, Ama Bono, Amabeji, Comantico Rantiano. I want to pay Piabon Comantico, Nancy. Referee, I didn't follow it here. Ekumfi Royals. I started one in Campasso, Bonabedi Peter Matthew Yako, lay passing kama. Yamania. Pia Branton again, Ebenezer, on Sapien, Yama Branton again, Peter Sapien, one echo, Bonabeti, Peter, Mighty, Wahai lawyer, the money goalkeeper, on Sapien, Adama, a Branton again, Ebenezer, Osei, Sapien, one echo, Bonabeti. Come and think who for the recover by chance, and answer that goalkeeper. Oh! What finish him? He wanted to go. I will be able to come. One echo. I say, number 3, Kumfi Royals. I want to pay Piaboro. Lay passing one across here. One across here. Shall start the one and jump pass. One echo. Bonabeti. A chance and also goalkeeper. For someone to teach they pass one and come from free at the foul. Alexia Comantico. So let's start to go and tell pass on. Kumfi Royals when they do Cabonaba. Kumfi Royals. Frank again, Harrison, lay pass on the money here. Francis, Frank Aqua to 180, one echo, Mama mia, Odo, Nasodabi. Oh my goodness. Apparently, Muhammad Gonja. Gonja and a yellow card. Muhammad Gonja and a yellow card. I am connected. Representative, I am found first. Finger boy tete, come and think committee going panyai. He born again floor. Born a better branch and again. Gonja, come on, goalkeeper. On Sunday passing. Watch your branch and Harrison. Harrison lay passing kama. What you want to take? One echo. Born a betty. Aqua Rabi. Born a cockroach. I'm a goalkeeper for Comantico. What's all born today? Play born a kama na Sedabi. Referee Ajin Foul Adietia. Comantico. Referee Ajin Foul Adietia Comantico. Referee Chairman Cosmos. And now some get to Accra. Oh, boy, Juma Wadre. And free kick. Steven, we pay that one on us. Bonabel Emmanuel G. Answer Bonapache. Already a branch and nearly. Eric Arakiba. Le passate. One echo, Nasilabi. Beautiful display. Bonabel.
Hey, 17. Hey, on peut pas passe money.
Prince.
Prince. Trouble to one echo. Our Betty, Prince, Naso, also the one other Kakuma, Pan, and so they are quickly, but what I'm going to come and think, on a paper bono, come and think, referee at the party here, a computer royals. Referee at the party here, come and think, and I say, a computer royals. Honorable Eko Kwenu, parliamentary candidate Elma NDC, Awal Kumfi, Anonada Roma, Anata Sara Pewe, Jesha Satamenti Kama, Anyano Diangawarito Diada, Asadabi, a Kumfi Punto, Adameniso. Jama kuma se papa aqua Dabi goalkeeper. Jean Toasso Dabi air pushes referee at the power here. Come and think, Sergio. So far, so good.
So far, no, I say, expecting, I say, yeah, because at first 45 minutes, now team and friend controlling us. Nice and now born on Moon was a simple. One blow to guy less than 1 minute. Now, second be by I support a move who said, when I said, who's on passing every man you teammate and as a player. It's a multi-million players. A moon lay passes like a character and Sushan said, commanding for my friend. It's our first half pressure. I say, reduce or move on to me with the ball more than 30 seconds. One of nice or more commented for us. It is here and the Royals. Sir, I hope someone tell me how many yours or is no more and no more one year which is ever born. It is Yano. As a more than a bathroom and send a night a year special born. You're winning a character. So we jump or pass it not what or pass it not in when I see a young disappointed. Everyone of us saw you in the West Nakasa. Siano, the air panel. Yeah. I decided to Ramos and I tell Brian Harrison, now Coachella Peter, I said, oh, W. Franca Cabo, Boy, Siaga, Bonabeti, Commanding Commander, he lay passing on every camera, papa. Traveling today, Nasser, the pin, and a bono, Atrasia, and a Panakika, a Politia, and the way you're that's how it's supposed to be. When I think about it here, every few hours. When I think about it, every few hours. But come here, son. Take up all the national piano. So, I want to Papa, Bonabeti, Morrison, all the paper on the back, Bianco, the Papa piano. Obiero, bona me di commanding. On the paper bomba. Chabot, I already not said. Everybody the floor. Mamma mia, bona me di.
Prince, what's the trouble?
I'm finding Adamani goalkeeper James Ishan, the lay person Adama Francis now Frank, referee foul Elitia Frank Aqua, referee foul Elitia Frank Aqua. Trouble to take one at the whatever, Bonabeti. Royals, Marcelebi, Royals, referee for Edema Aban. Referee for Edema Aban. Don't say changes be across the referee change. Apparently, on the daily Aban. Aban referee came in. About every game, about every game. Restart to one and pass one echo. Bonabeti. Who can attend it? Commanding. Already one about high lawyer and goalkeeper. Also, paper one so. A piano in here. Peter. Talk about it. I'm going to say our trainers, our training. Our chance another for water. Lay passing the third of the Laser, a piano one like Emmanuel. You will be already. He want to edit him, Kama, Bonabeti, Dawson, Philip,
Philip energy ball. Philip all of them say Philip referee. I say the other for. Referee I say commenting kum. Appointed in the Samuel. That's the other for. Samuel Tazi Elafo. I see a restarted ball and can pass you. The job on Diama Sima Osepia, one echo, one ekita. All the baby Apollo, the Kufu Royals, on base Friday, the Kufu Royals, Master Debbie, Hawamia. The hardware, the money goalkeeper. Also, I am a bunch of the Frederick, Frank, Epia, Nancy Levy, Comatico, Asakabono, Bobby Joe. What is striking? One echo, one ekita, Comatico, I said, the Confurious brother, Debbie, Aqua, Peter Aqua, Willie Passo, and so be it. I'm an sorry. That's my time want to be personal. Okay, Philip, I don't see the ball up to Pedro. Come and sing. I want to follow Philip is not the one. Philip, run for the foul. I want Philip. I start to one and can pass it. For the guitar. Come and take a coffee, Royal. Apparently, Harrison. Once the one out of it, one ekita, Isaac Kama, Ebenezer, I don't know who. Mama Miana Sleepy, one echo, come and think, Osa Cinebo, not sleepy, run project for Edelman, come and think. Run project for Edelman, come and think. The second half, I suppose now also not go to 2 months because the crowd will work out with it. And this is a look at 2 or 3. It's a bottle now, and so that, and yet, the person so now falls in on the take out, falls no air those ones. Less on one game, now, Bianca. Philip and a couple of way passing the money now, waiting at a one echo. Debbie, I want to call. Shot to one entertain to one echo. Debbie. 16 minutes gone inside the second half. So come on, Tinku. Come on, Tinku. 1. Echo Furious. 0. Arabo Echo Queen. And you break papa. Arabo Echo Queen, you break. Started one and time pass. Go on, Echo Furious. I'm going to pay for a bonnet. Now, see that view. I'm going to the bonnet for check. Right to see that view. I have found a one point here. Echo Furious. I have found a bonnet for Echo Furious. I am fire by the Echo Furious. Nana Apa Cranche. Honorable Echo Peru. NDC parliamentary candidate Echo Kufi. And one Echo. Okay, Kufia. Yes, I'm about Peru. Pega bola era de 50 por bola só. Bola atrás é. E gol que cai a bola tia. Vai precisar ver. É com a que grada. Vai precisar com a que.
Referee say a corner kick. Referee say a corner kick. If you got ball, na goalkeeper. We say the situation is one and say you a chance. No Mia, oh, na say that. Come on. I throw ball to one and say, I ready Philip Jackson. Kaya bwana kama ojo ya wojo kunsa ojo betia bwana ojo dabi Jati wali de fojo so swag one chance so one say you one go obieliwa e chance ko kuwa ya sara o betia bwana abranche de franka balance lebi one pay Anybody there for, so what I say, for the best of fun, not so heavy. Anybody there for, what I may do, Royals, I'm going to go up, a Royals, I'm going to take your ball, a Royals, possessing the ball, searching for it, one echo, very good this way. You can't want to come up with our Philip Yawanina, we answer that can, and our Philip, Philip take your ball, Philip together, back to the answer, not so go on, Ryan. Piano, play passing, come on. Caddy, ball on, pass it. We'll look at this player, no, come on, one echo. What are we? Ball, our Betty. Come on, Jinku.
Simple go. Boy.
Oh my goodness. They want to come and see for the people, whatever. He almost passed and play by somebody one last year, but I competition. I'm ready to pick him up. One already. I could feel right. You're running the car and also. Philip. Aqua. I have penalty. Referee. After penalty. Referee penalty dama.
Or check lines. I don't know why the banana so
clear penalty. It was and he prevented the player from goal scoring opportunity. It make us a penalty. When you referee decision, they are said or go up or to and I say a clear penalty. On fire man to do what you are saying. That's a game after yes, after one thing I'm about to say, okay, Royals and defensively, I'm winning problem from the goalkeeper to the defenders now. I'm winning problem. I'm more than I'm quite now mistake again. I'm my young some communicating nice, but no further no. Muford no and our problem and we're also Muford no to me and Japanese no Muford that's no. Sergio, yes, Aqua, and you're with me, Yamaya, Frank Aqua, Baco Beresa, and go. Frank Aqua, Nana Bonisel, your cousin player, my own player back. Oh, yeah, exceptional player. Who said?
A good Royals, I say.
Baby, our exceptional player, a good Royals, I'm a captain, no. Oh, you're good. You get penalty now, what is there? We're best to be good than penalty. Who's a captain goal? And I'm a passion. Well, one of my day, and you're on your bodies are you. That was a confused one. A confused Royal Stars one. Come on, team Kumu one. One of you. A confused. On the paper, one of us. Back to the mesa. You will pass around.
Phillips, and our father, the Jawan Gamania. He passed the Kamaka, so Banakoche, Philip, Philip, as a software, he passed the Kamaka, also Tata Philip, as a one Atlasia, a two editor from my team. 65 minutes on East Canal. That's the one come on. One
Nagonja waifa. Gonja waifa. 19 why you born him?
78 minutes on. Ghana. Sitawa wana government. Nigeria. Corner kick. Corner kick over it here. Pakuru Nesa. The Pedabore Nasirabi. Frank Alcatraz on the floor. He wanted it for Koku. The Pia Edamarinia. Frank, the Pedabore Nasirabi. Someone say, he wanted it for. I saw Piano. Frank Alca. The pass. Manako, Congress Napa, Nasirabi, he wanted it for. The pass in the Nasirabi. One Punsaka. Yawon Saka, Wabato. Kufuwa saya sacha. Kufuwa saya sacha. Anapo elko kwelu. Anapo elko kwelu. The PC for Kofi. NDC parliamentary candidates. Ele passa kama mwana kwa president hapa. Anapo na remedy. Kama timu kufanya. Ele passa ya malinia. Kwa Prince Jansen also their poetry. Or following on the DNA Francis. As a Frank brother on Shapia, and the man Francis and the DNA Stephen Morrison, and the people the Japanese Emmanuel, and the Emmanuel Popo Papa, Emmanuel Apa, and Lada, about the old, Frank Abadati baby. When the castle, Abandana Prince, Jackson, Jawan Philip Edatupo, represent Twasu, one of the commanding commander, Jasted Man, Nasirabi, one of Bakumian, Amwa Brantana Danny, Nasa Harrison, Harrison Diana, Harrison Ibana Edatupo, represent Konaki, Harrison. Komantinkum, Awatawati, Ayakonaki, Komantinkum, the Pedabolo Panay, you wanted the floor, one echo, one average, about to do, Master, you still do also, represent power, Ramon Ponta Komantinkum. I told it, yeah. You can promise you like a soul. Obi, you can promise you like a soul. Oh, yeah, I can't promise.
And I
have rest.
The parliamentary candidate Emma Ekufi. How shall we be at the Kama and I said, Ketra, 8 minutes, 2 minutes. We want to get let me come up on the back. Come on, you can answer that. Harrison, according to referee the foul Eretia, appointed Harrison, Nyako. The rest of the ball and pass will pick up ball. Now so the end of goalkeeper. Use the situation. Goalkeeper James Session was the situation.
Okay, come on.
Young Paso. And